Hey you guys, I thought I'd pop on to give you a quick little insider scoop on the FabFitFun edit sale. So this is the first time they've ever done an edit sale, and they're gonna start having them every season. Now, one, if you are a select member, meaning that you have an annual subscription, you do get first access to the sale. You have it for a few days, starting April 9th. On April 11th, it's open to all subscribers of FabFitFun. So I'm gonna kind of read you the details. It starts on April 9th to select members only and will open on April 11th to everyone else. I'll leave the information down below as far as the times also. It's gonna be very similar to add-ons, as in the discounted rates are anywhere between 20 and 70% off. You add them to your cart, and the very end of the edit sale, you'll be charged and they'll be sent. But unlike add-ons, these will not be added to your box. They will just come separately. If you purchase more than $25 worth of items, it will be shipped free. So that's really exciting. It's very small window because the end of the sale is on April 15th at 11:59. So it's a quick sale, you guys. Like, you don't have a long time like add-ons. So if you want something, put it in April 15th, it'll be sent to you. So I thought I'd give you a little bit of a sneak preview of what are some items to come. Again, this is only a small selection of the items and previews that they sent me, and there's guaranteed to be a lot more. So one of the things that they're gonna have is the Case Bay New York photo frame. Normally $35, it's going to be $14. Tarte Hair Goals dry shampoo, I'll be getting that. Retails for $39. During the sale, it's $11. There is a Tote Savvy, which is kind of like it's for more of like diaper bags, but an organization to put in a bag. Again, you don't have to use it for a diaper bag. You can use it for a work bag, a big tote you have. And that retails for $72. For the sale, it's $31. They're also having this Kelvin wine thermometer, retails for $49.95. During the edit sale, it's $21. It has Bluetooth connectivity and provides information to get the best from every bottle of wine. It has adjustable temperature settings. It monitors your wine as it chills. Next up, the Zoela Professional Ice Roller. You leave this ice roll in the freezer up to 4 hours and roll it over your face 1 to 2 times a day. It helps brighten under eye circles, decreases pore size, improves skin tone, and eliminates puffiness. So that's a little sneak peek that FabFitFun kind of sent out to some of their affiliates. As always, it's not too late to sign up for a FabFitFun membership. I will leave the information down below. It is such an awesome box, you guys. If you have not checked it out, I recommend doing so. I'll leave my past FabFitFun unboxings and reviews down below so you can check out some of the things that we've gotten in the last few months. There is a code for $10 off if the box is still available. I know that the spring box has sold out, and so they usually do an editor's box. So if that's still available, you can get $10 off your first box. I'll leave the information down below. And again, and it's not too late to sign up to be a select member, meaning that if you already have a subscription, you can pay for 1 year and you get early access to add-ons. You get early access for this edit sale, and you get to choose more items in your box, making it more customizable to you. I am a select member. I don't think I can ever go back to paying monthly because I love having a more personalized box when it comes to me. I can pick colors, I can pick products. I love it. So I hope you enjoyed this short video on just a little sneak peek of what's to come. And if you have not subscribed yet, please don't forget to do so and hit that bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. See you in my next video. Bye.